Hey, Puneet, see this guy.
Just the licking is left. How patiently he's waiting to eat. Hi you guys, welcome to another video on my channel. If you're new to this channel, then thanks for tuning in. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you to a place called as Jumbo. And this Jumbo, it serves the best seafood. It serves the best chili crab and black pepper crabs. It's so good, I can't even explain it to you in words. And this crab, no, they have won this excellent award for culinary skills, both of these crabs, and it's very famous in Singapore and it's there in other countries also. I'll mention all the places wherever it's available. If you all visit any of those countries or if you all come to Singapore, then you should visit this place because you will fall in love with the crab if you're a non-vegetarian. So yes, and today we're planning to go there. Like I've been there like 2 to 3 times, I think. So this is my 4th time that I'm going there, that we're going there. And so this time I thought I'll take you along with me. So yes, let's go. We have reached Jumbo. So excited. Oh my god, look at this. Wait, let me show you. So we have these tools to have the crab, and this is the apron so that whenever we are eating, it doesn't fall on our clothes. So yeah, I'm super hungry because this mic looks very odd because this top is still here, no? So yeah, I'm super hungry because I've not had anything after lunch. I've just had one rusk. So it's, what is the time, Puneet? It's 7:30. Waiting. It will take like 35 to 40 minutes is what they've told. We've ordered chili crab and fried rice, and that's all. Waiting. So here they've mentioned all the countries wherever Jumbo is there. So there are many countries. See, you can go whenever you go to any of this. You're traveling to any of these countries, then you can have Jumbo chili crab. So this is the menu. There are a lot of things. Okay, like you'll get shells, marwai. This looks like Arur the Kajipu, and many other things. But people come here to just have this crab. Let me show you it. Oh, Lundau. This one. This is a famous wala award-winning crab, chili crab. We always have this. Today, this time we wanted to try this, but then we couldn't resist. We just went for this only. You need a lot of energy and efforts to have this crab. But the what is that? Masak dada panpuno. The masa you get is very little. So, but that is the what to tell thrill in having crab. So yeah. We are waiting for food, okay? Whenever they get something, we're like, it's for us, but it's going to another table. It's like 30 minutes and I'm hungry. Getting ready to eat. This is so cute. He's asking permission to eat because I'm like, don't eat, I want to take a video. How patiently he's waiting to eat. You can eat now. Go on. You mix the fried rice with this gravy and then have it. How's it? So mix it well and then. So good. Aha! Very nice. Very big. It's very difficult to vlog here because hands are all dirty. Now this bun, sweet bun, so yum. You should dip it with this crab ka masala and so soft, see? Very smooth it is, very nice. We are almost done. Just the licking is left. Clean slate. There's nothing left to throw also. We have eaten so much, but it was so good. Like loved it.
Hey, Puneet, see this guy. He's got the wet tissue and wiping all over my body, Puneet. So now we have done with Jumbo. I'm so full. He's not letting me vlog. We are done with Jumbo. And the food was so good. I absolutely loved it, like as usual. I love the crab there. They have the best seafood. And this guy is very disturbing. Someone take him, please, because it's very irritating. So because I didn't say I said because it's very irritating. And now we're just walking and going back home because we're too full. And churkara godata, that's why. So it should digest so long. So yeah, we're going now. Puneet number 1, Puneet number 2. Puneet. Hi Puneet. Hi Puneet.
Hello, so I'm back home now, and that's it for today's vlog. And I hope you all enjoyed. Also, if you're coming to Singapore, then don't miss visiting this place. I'm telling you to visit it. And yes, I hope you all enjoyed. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next vlog. Until then, ta-ta!